Hi, I'm Derek Black. I'm the head of customer success at revVana. Today, I'm going to walk through working with Salesforce Data Cloud and Sales Cloud. When you go to view data lake objects inside of Sales Cloud, the user experience is to give you just a big giant list and not really any way to sort or organize any of it outside of a list view. So in here we have 19 records that we're using for demo data. Imagine if you had many thousands of records that would reflect something like actual revenue over time for a given account, every single month of what revenue you saw from that account. There's potentially going to be millions, hundreds of thousands of records, depending on how cool your business is and how much stuff you sell. But it's a lot to sift through, and this is not a way that a sales user could make any type of use of that. revVana has the ability to query directly things in Data Cloud. So you can see we have a query that's going to look at this actual revenue data lake object, to then build out what we call a revVana plan of that. And the revVana plan looks like this. We organize the data that's in the Data Cloud into an easy to read, organizable, what we call a plan of the revenue data. So here we have the total revenue for account C over this time frame, the 2024 year to date, and account E, and we have everything month by month of what's coming in from these accounts. We can even see more information there of our actual amounts that come in versus the forecast amounts to give us a revenue realization of, is this account over or underperforming? So account C, for example, a little under the forecast and then a little over. Account E is a little under the forecast every month. So these can tell sales reps to, hey, go do something to this account that's underperforming. Another side of that is that if something's consistently overperforming, you can say, hey, we need to reach out to account G to do something about that. Maybe provide them an upgrade, an upsell opportunity to cut down on overages that they may be occurring. No customers like to get hit with overage fees or something like that, to make sure that they're getting the attention that they need. Once all this data is inside of revVana, we can also do pattern analysis using machine learning, AI, or any numerical methods that you would like to use. So here we have consumption weighted average, seasonal index weighted averages for the data that's coming in based off the actuals that we can find. These can be reused to generate a forecast as well based on these numbers to say that, hey, we see that in January, there's typically less volume than the average volume of sales for this account. In February, it goes up, 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 down, down, down. These can be used to give you really insights to purchasing behavior of accounts that if you have a lot of historical data, you can use it. You can also make decisions of when to use or not to use that based on account maturity, to understand, what is going to give you the best result here. So in conclusion, we take this data and turn it into actionable data that can help companies find revenue leakage or opportunities for upsell or a lot of different things, that this can plug into. Because every measure here is configurable, so we can even do things like demand planning with quantities, different things like that.